Zimbabwe is descended into a new spiral of corrupt and incompetent leadership, authoritarian political repression, and corrupt ahead of the upcoming Southern Africa Development Committee SADC summit in Harare next month, the main opposition CCC says. Sarabina mashoko abudatoka panapa na Chamisa Mkwananzi ayo achidescribe zvikuitiwa unusual kana zviri weird kuti wane government ya ED Mnangagwa towards the SADC summit. Noti subscribe or like kuti on the bell icon. Tipira pendo pake pe the news okusanyora vachiti Chamisa Mkwananzi, who speaks for a faction of the now divided and captured CCC, sympathetic to former Nelson leader Nelson Chamisa, says President Emmerson Mnangagwa's government is exercising illegitimate and repressive power after last year's disputed and fraudulent general elections rejected by SADC. Zimbabwe faces a deepening political crisis characterized by narrowing democratic space, arrest, political persecution, and weaponization of the law. At the center of the crisis is tragic leadership failure, political and institutional illegitimacy, corruption, and moral dissidence. SADC visit. It is our fervent hope that SADC will live up its home report and help Zimbabwe resolve its electoral dispute in order to forestall the legitimate challenges that continue to hinder political progress and economic transformation in the country with adverse efforts in the region. Mashoko anatoka na Chamisa Mkwananzi. Atiri kuona ari kudanyoka panapa pa the news ox vachiti aiwa vana Chamisa Mkwananzi vatarisa upcoming SADC summit kuti aiwa nema unusual behaviors ari kuitwa neZANU-PF. Aiwa we are going to live our hope kuti SADC summit kana ichinge chizosvika we are going to address all these issues. Tudze mafungiro enyu pina comment section moti kudipa musoro mashoko ake. Musana no subscribe or like so